Did you know that the fruit from the red delicious, also known as the red apple, Malus pumila, is a great remedy for persistent dry coughs? Let's make this natural syrup. To make the syrup, you'll need at least 5 whole ripe red apples. Boil them without cutting in a bit of water for 10 minutes until they're soft. Let them cool slightly in the water, then strain them through a strong cloth to extract the juice. For a thicker syrup, add honey, twice the amount of the liquid, but I prefer it plain as it's naturally sweet. Take 5 to 10 tablespoons a day, 1 every 2 hours for 3 days. Your cough will start to disappear. Remember, this works for non-serious, long-lasting coughs. For severe conditions, see a doctor. Try this natural remedy and breathe easy. Subscribe for more health tips.